Mesenchymal stem cells, just as good as chondrocytes for cartilage repair. In a study by Nedjadnik and colleagues, a comparison between chondrocyte repair and mesenchymal stem cells was undertaken. The authors found that using mesenchymal stem cells in cartilage repair is as effective as chondrocytes for articular cartilage repair. In addition, it required less knee surgery, reduced costs, and minimized donor site morbidity. The trend is to develop minimally invasive procedures to regenerate cartilage. When you click on the button below, you'll get access to a page where you can sign up to receive a free portfolio of information that will give you the inside scoop on how stem cells can help you if you have osteoarthritis. The science, the biology, and most importantly, the results. See you on the other side.